1. You have applied for asylum in the United Kingdom and asked to be recognised as a refugee under the 1951 Convention relating to the status of refugees, the Geneva Convention, on the basis that it would be contrary to the United Kingdom's obligations under the Geneva Convention for you to be removed from or required to leave the United Kingdom. You claim to have a well-founded fear of being persecuted for reasons of race, religion, nationality, membership of a particular social group or political opinion. That person is outside the country of his nationality and is unable or, owing to such a fear, is unwilling to avail himself of the protection of that country, or who, not having a nationality and being outside the country of his former habitual residence, is unable, or owing to such a fear, is unwilling to return to it and is not excluded from the protection of the Geneva Convention. 2. Your application has not been considered by the Secretary of State personally, but by an official acting on their behalf. 3. Consideration has also been given to whether or not you qualify for a grant of humanitarian protection in accordance with paragraph 339C of the immigration rules. 4. Consideration has also been given to whether you may be eligible for a grant of limited leave to enter or remain in the United Kingdom in accordance with the published Home Office Asylum Policy Instruction on Discretionary Leave. 5. You claim you fled Sudan using your own passport. However, it is not found to be credible that someone with your profile that you allege to have would have found such easy route out of the country. 6. You claim you fled Sudan because you feared for your life and that of your pregnant wife and son. You stated that because of your writing, you are wanted by the Sudanese authorities and you fear imprisonment and torture. It is accepted that prison conditions in Sudan are severe, with widespread abuse of inmates and facilities that are likely to reach the Article 3 threshold. However, it is not believed that you are likely to face imprisonment on return to the Sudan. 7. The National Congress Party and ruling regime are very professional, secretive and ruthless. Their control in Sudan is so entrenched that it is not considered that they would make such an inept job of seeking you and your writings. This section of your claim is thus not accepted and your credibility is damaged as a result. 8. Following objective evidence we have obtained from both COIS reports and FCO officials, it is not accepted that you have ever been harassed by the Sudanese authorities or that you are of any interest to them. 9. As it is not accepted that any of the incidents you have described took place, it is not accepted that you are wanted by the Sudanese authorities, neither that the rest of your family is in danger. Therefore, you have not established a well-founded fear of persecution for a convention reason. For this reason, and those set out in the paragraph above, your claim for asylum is not accepted and is considered to have failed. 10. On the basis of information you have provided, it has been concluded that removing you from the United Kingdom or requiring you to leave would not be contrary to the United Kingdom's obligations under the ECHR. 11. All the relevant factors known to the Secretary of State under paragraph 395C and paragraphs 365 to 368 for family members of the immigration rules have been considered before making a decision to remove.